What is an error flow in InDesign? Imagine you're trying to complete a task on a website or app, and suddenly something goes wrong. How the system responds can make all the difference in how you feel about the experience. That's where an error flow comes into play. It's a planned sequence of steps that guides users when they encounter mistakes during their journey. In InDesign, error flows are more than just pop-up messages. They are carefully crafted pathways that help users understand what went wrong and how to fix it without frustration. When designing user flows, it's important to think about what happens if users make mistakes. For example, if someone enters an incorrect email address during registration, the system should detect the error immediately. It then needs to notify the user clearly, perhaps by highlighting the email field and showing a message like, "Please enter a valid email address." The message should be simple and direct, telling the user exactly what to do next. Instead of vague errors like error, a good error flow explains the problem and offers a solution, such as your password must include at least 8 characters. This way, users know how to correct their mistake right away. Error flows also need to be aware of where users are in their journey. If someone is trying to check out and their payment fails, the system should guide them smoothly back to the payment step, not make them start all over. It's about reducing confusion and keeping the experience seamless. Designing these flows early in the project helps teams visualize how errors will appear and interact with the rest of the user journey. This planning ensures that error messages are integrated naturally and don't feel like an interruption. It's also important to consider emotional impact. When users see errors, they might feel frustrated or anxious. Good error flows reassure users, showing that mistakes are normal and easy to fix. Accessibility is another key aspect. Error messages should be easy to see and understand for everyone, including users with disabilities. Using clear visual cues and screen reader-friendly labels helps make sure all users get the support they need. Mastering error flows in Adobe Design tools means creating these error states as part of your user flows and prototypes. When you do this, you make your interfaces more resilient and user-friendly. Properly designed error flows turn potential points of failure into opportunities for clear communication and support, helping users stay on track and feel confident in your product.